welcome to my channel, and here is 2023 Neco question, and it happens to be question 4. I'm going to solve this problem, and as we have here that the elevation and plan of an oblique truncated hexagonal pyramid is shown below, and we have to draw full size the given views, the complete plan, and also we have to produce the pattern development of the hexagonal pyramid. So that is the question given to us. So what we are going to do now is to replicate the given views as we are told in question 1 that we have to draw full size the given view. So I'm going to show you how to go about the construction of the given views, and let's talk about the dimensions of these views as we are given here. So as we have here in the plan that the distance across corners for the hexagon or the base, the hexagonal base of the pyramid is 50 millimeters, and for the front elevation we have this line here is inclined at an angle 45 to the horizontal, and we have that the distance from this point to this point here is 40 millimeters, and the height here is 70 millimeters, and distance of this point from the base is 55 millimeters. So we are going to make use of all these dimensions to answer the given question. So let's start. So the first thing that we need to do is to produce the hexagon as we are given in the question. So we need to draw a vertical center line. So we need to draw a vertical center line. So okay, all right. So I don't think I need that for now. So let me draw the horizontal center line for us to construct the hexagon. Then I will draw a short vertical center line, so I don't have to draw the whole of the vertical center line. So I'll just take it like this. Alright, so then I'm going to take my compass and take a measurement of 25 millimeters, which is half of 50, which is half of the distance across corners as we are told in the question. Then I'm going to draw a circle. Okay, so I'll draw a circle like this, and with the radius that I used to construct the circle, I put the midpoint at this point to make an arc here, and I will make an arc down here and here also. So I will make an arc here and here. Okay, so then we go on and produce the hexagon as we are given in the question. So I'm going to connect this point together. So I connect this point together with this, and this point also will be connected together, and I'll connect this point together, so like this. And I'll also connect this point together. So as you see the hexagon in the given views, so that's how we are going to produce. Don't forget that for this one, this part is drawn with short dashes line, so mean that that part is hidden from us when we are viewing the object from the top down. So this part is hidden from us, so we draw it with short dashes line as you see it in the question. Okay, all right, so having drawn the hexagon, so the next thing that we need to do is that we are going to come up a little bit. Then we draw a horizontal line. So we draw a horizontal line like this. That's why I said we don't have to draw the whole of the vertical center line. Okay, all right, so the next thing that I'm going to do is to draw a vertical line from this point to touch the horizontal line that I just drew. From here also I will draw a vertical line to touch the horizontal line. So from this point I will draw a vertical line, and also from this point we draw a vertical line. Alright, so going on, I need to take my 45-degree set square. Then I'm going to draw this line as a center line with 45 degree. So though this center line is not shown in the question, but for me I need it. So I need it. So I will extend this horizontal line a bit. Then I'm going to take a measurement. So I'll draw a vertical line here from this point. I just want to set it to make sure that I can just take a measurement of 70 millimeters. This is 70, so I'll just draw a horizontal line here like this. Okay, so then making sure that this line touch the horizontal line. Okay, so for the height of the pyramid, so I've done that. So the next thing that I'm going to do is that, so I'm going to connect. So this point, since this line is at 45 degrees, so whatever line that I draw from here, so any line that I draw from here will also be at an angle 45 degree to this line. So this line also, by the time I draw this, is at 45 degree to the horizontal. And also if I draw this one from here, it will be at 45 degree. And if I draw from here also, it will be at 45 degrees. Okay, so I've drawn the lines. So other things that we need to do here is to take a measurement of 40 millimeters on this side. So 40 millimeters from here up. So this is 40 millimeters. So all I need to do is to draw a horizontal line from here to touch this side. And also, so we are told that we have to take a measurement of 55 millimeters from here. Okay, so 55 millimeters from here. So this is 55 millimeters. So then I will draw a horizontal line. But I just don't know why they put that 55 millimeters there. I don't know. Okay, all right, yeah. It's correct. So that 55 millimeters is also needed. So I just mark it here on the object. Then I'm going to connect this together. So I'm going to connect this together with a thick line. So like this. Okay. So this part has been cut off. So this is truncated oblique hexagonal pyramid. So all I need to do now is to make this line a thick line. Then I will make this line also a thick line. So this line, we made a thick line. So the middle one, I don't need it. I don't need to make it a thick line. So this line also will be a thick line. Then, so the base, so we also make it thick like this. So we have drawn the front elevation. So for us to draw the complete plan, so that's where we are going right now to draw the complete plan. So I need to extend this horizontal center line like this. Okay. So going on to draw the complete plan, so I'm going to draw a vertical line from this point. So vertical line from here, but it's not compulsory. I can just mark it here. So that is this point here in the plan. So then I'm going to connect so this point together with this, and I will also connect this point together with this. So this point also will be connected together with this, and I will also connect this point together with this. So before I continue, I'm going to number this point. So if this is point 1, yeah, so this is 2, this is 3, here is 4, this is 5, and this is 6. Okay, So for these lines, so this is, I'll call this 1 prime. So this is 2 prime 6 prime. Then this is 3 prime 5 prime. Then we have what? We have 4 prime. Okay, so now, so for line 1, so I'm going to draw a vertical line from this point to touch this line 1 here. So for the complete plan, because we are going to have a raw surface here, and they want us to have it in the plan. So that's why we need to draw a vertical line from this point down to the plan. So it touches line 1 at this point. So I will take note of this point here. So this is point 1 in the plan. So then we have 2, 6. So I need to draw a vertical line. So from here down, so it touches 2 at this point. Touches 2 at this point. So we drew line from point 2. So it touches 2 at this point and touches 6 at this point. Then I will draw from this line, which contains 3 and 5. So draw a vertical line like this. So it touches 3 at this point and touches 5 at this point. The last one is 4. So drawing a line. So from this, a vertical line from this point down to the plan. So it touches 4 at this point. So this is okay, sorry. Okay, so it touches 4 at this point. So this is point 4. So all these points, I'm going to connect them together. So if I connect this together like this, so connect this together, and connect this together. So I connect this together with this. So this one goes with this, and this goes with this. So what I need to do now is to make sure I produce arching lines on this surface. So just to arch it like this. So we do that with 45-degree set square. Alright, so then I need to make this line a thick line from here to here. And this line will also be a thick line from here to here. And for this line, so it will be a thick line. Okay, so this line also will be made a thick line. And then, so this last one will be a thick line. So this is the complete plan as we are instructed to do it. So the next thing that we are going to do now is to draw the surface development. So I'm going to draw the surface development now. So we need to find the true length, but for this I'm not going to be working on that. So I'll just take the distance from here. So if I call this point, so the apex of the pyramid, so let's call it point O. Okay, so this is point O, that is the apex of the pyramid. So this is point O. So what I need to do now is to so take the distance from there. Before that, so I will need to draw a horizontal line. So let me come up here. So if I draw a horizontal line, so from here to here, so so this point, so will be point O as we have it. That is the apex of the pyramid. So as we have it there, so what we need to do now is to take our compass. So take the distance from here, from this point. So this is the longest one. So you need to take this one. This is the one that you have to take. Distance from here to here. Then put the pinpoint at hole here, and you draw an arc like this. So draw an arc like this. Okay, so having drawn that, so what they said that we should do is that we should open from here. They call it point DD. So this is point D, and this is also point D, so which is the seam. So we have to cut it from here and spread it. So next thing that we need to do before we go on with that, so if you look at, there is point DD, so it is point 1. So we have 1 here. So then we are going to take the length of side of the hexagon, so distance from here to here, like this. So we put at this point, so we make an arc, so this is 1. So we make an arc next, so this is 2. So this is 2. Then we make an arc next here, this is 3. Then here, so make an arc here, this is 4. So this is 4. Then, so here we have 5. Then last one is this, which is 6. Okay, so we have all these points. So we are going to join this point together. So we number. So we have 1. So this will also be. So this point will be 1. Then after that we have 2, 6. This is 2 and this is 6. So after that we have 3. Then we have what? We have 5. Then 4 is in the middle. So having done this, now we are going to join this point together with the apex. Then we also join this point together with the apex. Okay, so we join this, so together with the apex. So 4 will be joined together with the apex of the pyramid. Then we also join 5 together with the apex of the pyramid. Then 2, we join it together with the apex of the pyramid, like this. Alright, so now the next thing that we are going to do is to take a compass. So the next thing that we need to do now is to take a compass, wait at this point O here, and extend to this point on 1. Then we bring it here to point O and we make an arc here. So we make an arc here on 1. Then from this point to point 26 on this line, so we put at this point, make an arc here on 2, make an arc here on 6. Then from point O again to 3, 5, so which is this point. So we put it at this point, so make an arc on 3, make an arc on 5. Then the last one is point 4, so this point, so we put it at this point and make an arc on 4. Okay, so those points, let's leave that for now. So now then we come from here. So I just take it from here, from this point to point 1 here. So you have to do that. So from here to here, so put it at this point where we have the arc that we have taken a distance. So that's on 1. I will also put it here, so to get it on 1. Then so I put at this point, so extend to this point for 2, 6. So here I will put it on 2. Then I make an arc here, so put it on 6, this point. So I'll make an arc here. So I'm not putting it at point O, so take note of that. I'm taking on these arcs that we have produced already. So then for 3 and 5, so putting at this point, so I will extend to this point for 3 and 5. Then I put it at 3 here, so make an arc here. Then I'll put it at 5, make an arc here. So for 4, I don't have to take that again, so it's going to end at this point, so I don't have to do that again. So what I need to do now is to join this point together. So we connect this point together like this. Then this point, so we connect it, so together with this point. Okay, then we connect this point together with 4. So we do the same thing on this side. Then we connect this together, and this also will be connected together. Then so we come up here, so to be a straight line, so don't try to use your French curve to join them together. So this is a pyramid, it is not a cone. So don't think because it looks like something that you give it a curve, then you take your French curve to join them together. So that is not correct. So we also join this together and we join this together. So then, so I will go now, so I'll make this line from here to here, a thick line. So this line, we made a thick line. So this line is a thick line from here to here. I will also make this line a thick line. Alright, so this is how the surface development will look. So we have done what we are required to do, as we are told that we should draw the given views, which we did. We have drawn the complete plan and surface development of the hexagonal oblique pyramid. So all you need to do is to practice. When you practice, become a master at it. Thank you and keep on practicing. God bless you.